Good morning, everybody. This is Kurt from Broken Finger Gaming. Today I'm actually going to be doing a little bit of hints for the waterfall effects that I'm actually working on right now. Yes, it looks a little choppy, however I will be smoothing it out once I get a little bit more familiar with the engine here. As you can see, I've got like 3 different areas that I've got the elements and the particles of the waterfall, which is kind of coming down the cliff a little bit, so it kind of gives it that instead of a straight look, it kind of looks like it's you can see it's kind of bouncing off the rocks and then onto the surface area. Moving forward here, I'll be working on a stream that actually comes up through here, and then of course a little bit of a lake that I'm actually working on right now. It's not a very big one, however it's just a small little lake, but you can see when you come down here, it'll come down. I'll do a little bit more of a waterfall through here too. There's going to be a little bit more, but not too much. But it's coming along, guys. Just a heads up. Just I am working on this. So, and I'm going to be probably putting a tutorial together on how I did it. So, stay tuned. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Keep watching, subscribe, and like, please. Appreciate it. It means a lot. Thank you.